Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you the top 15 handbags that will never go out of style. This video is based on my personal opinion and experience. I just wanted to give you some reference if you just start a handbag collection. Maybe you can save some money and try to avoid buying some other bag and instead focus on the classic pieces. Those 15 bags are all classic and timeless. So the first I will start with Hermes, and you guys know Hermes has the BCK quad bags, which everybody knows and a lot of people want to get into their collection. So the first one is the Hermes Bergen, and obviously this is not so easy to get it for a lot of us, and we needed to build up the relationship with the SAs, and also we need to have some purchase experience, which I will do another video to talk about which item you can buy from Hermes to start with the Hermes collection. Hermes Bergen has many different sizes. The most popular size is size 30. It's good for the everydays or occasionals. Definitely this is the iconic and classic handbag from the fashion house. The number 2 is the Hermes Kelly bag, same as the Hermes Bergen. They have many different sizes. Personally feel Kelly 28 is the most common and the most popular size. Recent years you guys see a lot of people get the size 25 instead of 28 because our lifestyle changed a lot. Recent years people carry less and less. The small bag is still in the trendy. I have a Kelly 28, but my ideal bag of course is the Kelly 25. I think the Kelly 25 is good for occasional. However, I know the Kelly 28 also is a very popular size you can use as an everyday. So this is the number 2 bag. So the number 3 from Hermes of course is the Hermes Constance bag. This bag also very popular. This is a wonderful quarter bag and it's also very difficult to get it. Even though this bag is not in my wish list, never say never. Maybe one day I will love this bag. This is another piece that will never out of the style. So now let's move to the Chanel. Chanel also have a couple bags. The first one is the Chanel Classic Flap. Chanel Classic Flap has 4 sizes. They come with the maxi, jumbo, medium, large, and small size. Of course, they have the mini classic flap and including the mini square. So the Chanel Classic Flap is the one that will never out of style no matter what size they are. So you can choose from those sizes. Moving on, the next one is the Chanel Reissue 2.55. This is another classic bag, and they also come with the different sizes. The biggest size is 227 and 226, 225. They also have the mini reissue 2.55, which is very popular recent years, and the price wise compare with other 3 sizes, this one the best price. So this is another bag that you can consider for your collection. Now moving on to the Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton has many handbags that will never out of the style. The first one is the Louis Vuitton Speedy, and the Louis Vuitton Speedy also come with the different sizes. They have the size 35, 30, 25. Right now it just come Speedy 20, and they also have a Nano Speedy, which is kind of trendy because it's pretty small, and I will not recommend it if this is your first purchase. So Louis Vuitton Speedy is another piece that will never go out of the style. So moving on, the next one is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Louis Vuitton Neverfull come out in 2007. This is the bag that has the best sell from the fashion house. So you can see how popular they are. So many people has this bag, and it's been long time, almost 14 years. Louis Vuitton Neverfull also have 3 sizes. They have the GM, MM, and PM. MM size is the most popular size. A lot of people has this size. However, the GM size is good for the travel, good for the carry-on luggage. So I also highly recommend it. Definitely this is another piece never go out of the style. Moving on, the next one is a Louis Vuitton Armor bag. Louis Vuitton Armor bag also come with 3 sizes. They come with the MM, PM, and BB size. However, the BB size is the most popular size. They also come with a different version of the material. They have the canvas, epi leather, and the unpun leather. And each season, Louis Vuitton also come with a limited edition bag with different straps, and they also come with limited edition. So this is another piece that will never go out of style. So moving on to the next one is Louis Vuitton Capuchin bag. This is the most iconic bag from the fashion house. They also come with different sizes, and the reason is they just launched the Capuchin Mini, still very popular for the mini bag. So that's definitely another one. Now let's move to the Dior fashion house. Dior, the most iconic and timeless bag, of course, is Lady Dior bag. Lady Dior bag in the past have the 4 sizes. They come with the large, medium, small, and mini. Now this year it just come out the micro. So right now they have 5 sizes. So this is a wonderful bag that never go out of the style. Let's move into Fendi. The first one, of course, is the Fendi Peekaboo, and this bag is so popular, and they also come with the different sizes. And then the most popular size, of course, is the Fendi Peekaboo in the mini size, which is the one behind me. They also have the different style. So this is the one that I think it will never go out of style. The next bag is a Fendi Baguette, and this is the one which I been thinking to add to my collection. However, the price tag is still very high, and that's why I'm hesitating for it. But this one is the one that will never go out of style. So now let's moving on to the next fashion house, that is the Louis. And Louis has the one bag that the most iconic bag from the fashion house, that is the Paso bag. Now Paso bag also come with a couple sizes. They have the medium size, small size. They also come with the mini size. So the small size is the most popular because it's a very practical bag. This is the small size, and they also come with the different materials. They have the smooth leather or the grand calf skin leather, which is like a pepper leather. The one I have is a pepper leather, very durable leather. So this is another piece. Now moving on to the next one is the Givenchy. Givenchy have one handbag that I think never go out of the style. That is the Givenchy Antigona, which I also have one in my collection. That one also comes with the different sizes. They start with the medium size, small size, and the mini size. The one I have is in the mini size. So I think the mini size actually is good enough. It's kind of big bag. So that's the one. Last one but not the least is Celine, and Celine luggage bag, which is been long time, even though right now people don't talk about a lot, but the Celine luggage in the nano size is still very popular, even though it's kind of controversial. Some people love, some people hate, but this is the bag I think it will never go out of the style. So those are the 15 bags that I think it will stay for the longest time. I hope this is the reference for you. You can choose from those handbags to start with your collection. So that's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.